how to buy Crunch AI Labs token. So this token came under the symbol of Crunch. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account as you can see and keep following their updates about this token. It's much important. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It's trending number 9 now on the screener. And as you can see, this token increased by 180,000% in the last 24 hours. And the last 5 minutes increased by 19%. So the market cap, it's $6.4 million and the volume is $1.6 million. So the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's good. That's mean your investment in the safe place. So to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here, and remember this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now open your wallet. For that I will use Bitget wallet. Now log into your accounts. Now after that, what you need to do, select the Ethereum as a network from here and click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. And as you can see, this is our token. Click on plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that's called Crunch. So this is it. Now click on it. After that, click on swap. Now switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you will receive. So this is it. Now after that, it's easy and simple. Just click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Crunch token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.